It's another Monday here with teacher Jenny. Join me for another topic. This time we're talking about limit laws and we're focusing on the basic limit laws. For any real numbers a and c, an integer n, the basic limit laws are the following. First one, we have the limit of a. As x approaches c, that will be equal to a. So as you can see here, we've got a limit of a constant. A here represents a number. A limit of a constant will always be a constant. And then another one, we have the limit of x. As x approaches c, this will always be equal to the number where your x approaches to. And then limit of ax, or a times x, as x approaches c, that will be always equal to the constant a times the constant c, wherein the c there is the one that we're approaching to. Next one, we have the limit of x to the power of n. As x approaches c, that will be equal to c raised to the power of n. So let us have our first example here is the limit of 3 as x approaches 1. So basically we have here a limit of a constant. Take note, based on the limit laws, we have there limit of a constant will always be equal to the constant, which is equal to 3. Another one, we have limit of x squared as x approaches negative 1. That will be, we've got a variable there, limit of a variable that's always equal to the c there where your x approaches to. So we have a negative 1 here. And then we have a power, so we copy the power there. So automatically we've got that as negative 1 squared, or that is negative 1 times negative 1, that is equal to a1. Another one here is the limit of 3x as x approaches to 3. So we've got there x is being multiplied with the number 3, so automatically we have that one as we copy the number 3, and then x there will become the constant here, which is 3. So basically we're multiplying 3 and 3, that's equal to a9. Another one, we have limit of 1 as x approaches negative 3. 1 here is a constant, so always that will be the constant. Limit of negative 2x as x approaches 5. We've got here a negative 2, so we just have to copy that one. And our x here, we replace that one with the number that we are approaching. And then we try to simplify that one, that is equal to negative 10. Limit of 15 as x approaches 2. This is a limit of a constant, so automatically this is equal to 15. We have the limit of x as x approaches negative 1. So this is an x, so all we have to do is to replace x with a negative 1. Next, we have limit of 3x as x approaches 3. We've got here a number and then an x. So we copy the number, replace our x here by the number that it is approaching to, and then we simplify that as 9. Lastly, we've got limit of x to the power of 4 as x approaches 1/2. Automatically, x here will be replaced with the number that we are approaching to, and then we copy our exponent, and then we try to simplify this one. So this is a fraction, and we're raising that one to a power. Automatically, our numerator will get the power, and so with the denominator, we'll also be getting the power. So this is now 1 to the power of 4, that's 1. And then 2 to the power of 4, we've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 16. So that is now the final answer. So those are now the basic limit laws. So I hope you were able to learn something. And then please practice and be familiar with the basic limit laws so that you will be able to answer the different problems related to that topic.